If we don't take Greenland, Russia or China will take Greenland, and I am not going to let that happen.
If America does not take Greenland, then Russia or China will take it. This is being said by the most powerful man in the world, Donald Trump. But the question is this really about security or an attempt to take over power by showing fear? In his second term, Trump is once again in the headlines over Greenland. He says we do not want Russia or China to become our neighbors. But Greenland is not an empty land. It is an autonomous territory of Denmark, and Denmark is also a member of NATO. After Trump's aggressive language, Denmark also became firm. A warning came from Denmark. We will shoot first and ask questions later. The meaning is clear. Any forced move on Greenland can directly lead to confrontation. Now understand the reality. In Greenland, the US Thule Air Base already exists. Missile defense, Arctic surveillance, everything is already there. So the question arises, if security already exists, why is control needed? Because Greenland is not just ice, Greenland is a treasure of rare earth materials. Electric vehicles, renewable energy, AI tech, the future of all this depends on these minerals. And today, the maximum control over these belongs to China. Trump wants China dependency to end and America to move ahead in Arctic. Trump's tone itself shows either through talks or through force. He said there is an easy way and there is a hard way, meaning diplomacy is an option, but power is the priority. This is why Europe and NATO both feel uncomfortable. The biggest irony is this: Trump says that he should receive the Nobel Peace Prize, but the Peace Prize is not given for threats or shoot first thinking. Peace is achieved through dialogues and consensus. Greenland is not just an island, it is a glimpse of 21st century power politics, where power is given more importance than sovereignty. History is witness. When power becomes uncontrolled, conflict becomes certain. The world needs cooperation, not force, because peace is not built by power, it is built by understanding. What's your thought on this topic? Kindly comment. Thank you.